your
Morning, YouTube. This is Debbie. Let me see if I got that straight. Okay. Good morning, YouTube. This is Debbie. And I have been, I've been out sick most of the year. But anyway, I bought me a new planner. I got a Filofax Domino. And, you know, anyone that watches my videos knows that I'm definitely a Kiki K or a Franklin Covey person. And I take the rings out of my Kiki K's and I put the Franklin Compact, Franklin Classic rings in. I'm sorry. Anyway, I have always liked the letter size paper, and I have recently decided I like the A5 paper because it's wider. I've got an injury to my hand and I'm not able to use my hand anymore, so I can't write real small. But I have really enjoyed this domino because you can turn it over. I put whatever page, my to-do page on the front, and I can fold it. I can fold it in half. And if you put a notepad back here where the notepads go, the little junior size legal pads fit here. I had one in there, but it was getting pretty chunky, so I pulled it out. You can fold this over the other way and use your junior size legal pad and take real quick notes. I love this thing. One of the reasons I love this, my daughter bought me the most beautiful Franklin Covey. I have wanted one forever, but I can't grip it in my hand. The leather is so smooth, it's slippery. I love that planner. Oh my gosh, I love that planner. But this one here I can hang on to. And one of the reasons I'm making this video today is I wanted to show you something I found. This is not mine. I found this on the internet. Her name is Brittany Blaine. She made this video 6 days ago, and I'm going to put her video link in the description so that you can go over there and check her out. And I'm not going to show you every one of these pages and steal her thunder. You need to go watch the video because it's just awesome. But she broke this up into sections, and she put stuff in her planner I ain't never thought of in my life. What did I do there? Oh, okay, this is the cover page, and this is the index page. But she has a index in here for holiday planning. She's got one in here for hold on, let me find it. Holiday gift planning. She's got one in here for shopping planner. She's got holiday event planner. She's got holiday traditions planner. I think there's a couple of more in here. I'm just not seeing them right now. And I will show you a couple of pages, the ones that I absolutely love. She has thought of things that I have never thought of. And I've been making Christmas planners for 1,000 years. This one is very cool. She demonstrates it on her video, and it's how you're going to design your Christmas tree. And you take like colored pencils or whatever you have, and you fix your tree with what you have, and it's just awesome. This here, it shows you a chart of what she go where on the tree. She just thought of everything. She's got DIY projects, tablescapes where you can draw in your decorations for your table, and she's got a rectangle table, and she's got a circle table. I have a round table. She's got your holiday decor inventory. She's got your decorating checklist. She's got your holiday decorating schedule. I love that. And then she has a schedule by days, you know, 1 through 31. She's got holiday gift planner. She's got your family gift list. She's got your stocking stuffer, your holiday gift list for everyone else, like, you know, teachers and whatnot. She's got your thank you cards for after Christmas. And when you get a gift, you write down the name and address of who gave it to you so you can send them a thank you card. She's got a holiday decor shopping list, grocery shopping, holiday gift shopping list, online purchases. She's got an event planner, menus, calendars, table settings, recipes, tablescape where people are going to sit. She's got a holiday traditions planner. This is your traditions. This is your holiday bucket list. Your Christmas movies, your movies that you watch, your Christmas show. Every year, I write down all the Christmas movies I watch. Here's one for TV, the show title, network, and the watch date. Your holiday reading list, your holiday to-do list. And she has like 36 pages. She doesn't ask you to subscribe to anything. She doesn't ask you to, you don't have to buy anything. She gives this away completely free. And I encourage you to go watch her channel because she goes through the planner and shows you how she uses it. It's awesome. Now this is 8.5 by 11. She's made it to fit in a ring planner. What I do in mine, this one is not printed out. This is not printed out 8.5 by 11. This is printed out at 85%. I can cut this down and it will fit in my Happy Planner Christmas planner because I have printed it to fit. I love to buy 8.5 11s. Another thing I have done is I have printed it A5. I've set my printer at A5. I've set my printer settings at A5, and I've set my printer shrink to fit. So you can print these to fit your A5 planner, which is one of the reasons I've gone over to an A5 planner because, well, let me show it to you. You go on Amazon. You can buy A5 paper already punched and cut, and if you get, it was like 250 sheets for $12. So I can print out all of my planner pages for my binder. Yeah, I'm going to be buying everything, all my printables, I'm going to be buying them in A5 and 8.5 by 11 from now on. Probably 8.5 by 11 because 8.5 and 11 I can make fit my Happy Planner, which is where I have my Christmas planner right now. But that's that. And another thing that, what did I do with it? You all know I love my polka dot posy. I bought this page from her last night. This was, this printable was $1.50. And I use a daily page, but I have to see a week at a view, or my you know, I have ADHD real bad, and my mind wanders, and I can't hold a thought. I need a weekly view so I can see everything at once. And this is a single page that she sells. It's $1.60, and it's on Polka Dot Posy, and I will link her below. But you have your dinner menu for the week. And I have a menu planner in here, but I forget to look at it. But what I do is I'll put this right here by today. And the reason I punch it on both sides is I can flip it over and I have it visible for tomorrow. And I put one of these for each week, and it's just awesome. You have your dinner menu, you have your exercise, or in my case, your physical therapy. You have calls and emails, errands, weekly goals, and then you have a to-do list. But I think this is going to be great for my ADHD. It's going to help me out a lot to be able to see the week. Okay, sorry about that. My alarm went off and I couldn't find my phone and I forgot I was recording on it. Let's see, where was I? Anyway, I have this daily docket, and what I can do is this is this week, and I can flip it over, and then I can take this out at the end of the week. And on my dailies, what I do is I cut the corner off of the whole week so I can flip over to the next week. I cut the bottom off, and then on the next week I cut the top off, and then on the next week I cut the bottom off, and I can flip over. And one of these sheets is good for 2 weeks, and then you just move it over. So if you print 4 of these, they're good for 8 weeks. They're awesome. I just love them. I can't wait to use them. I had been, I guess I threw it away. I had been printing them on a to-do list. I purchased a to-do list, and it was like my master list or my brain dump, and you know, it wasn't working. It was all over the place. Let me see, what did I do with my to-do list? I've got quite a few things I'm doing different. I'm not normally, oh, here they are. These are the to-do list, and she did not put her name on the page, so doesn't look like she'll be getting credit. If you want this to-do list, and there's like 4 pages. She has little 4 individual boxes, and she has them with lines so you can prioritize them. And then she has the 2 long ones, and they have the lines so you can prioritize them. If you want that, just leave me a message below, and I'll hunt the link up. Let's see. What am I doing different? I've got my holiday section. Of course, I've always had that, but this is another polka dot posy printable, and she has the Thanksgiving menu. I like to go around and doodle on the edges. And then she has the Thanksgiving schedule. These are some printables that my daughter made me, and I've done one for a gift list, and then I have one I do for my cookie day, and I like to doodle the edges. They don't come that way. And then this is the Polka Dot Posies Christmas planner, and I've used this for years. Absolutely used it for years. I love it, but it's got a lot of stuff in it that's not in it that's in Brittany's. So I will probably be using a combination of both of them. And these are, this is just how I've been doing my to-do list. I watched a lady, Candy K Can, and she said she has, she doesn't say she has ADHD, but you can tell that she does by talking to her, listening to her. And I will go through here, and I will just, I will figure 5 things that I can do right now that'll only take a couple of minutes. And you make a list of 5 things, and then mark them out as you do them. And it gets you going. It gets, you know, it helps. It really helps when you're overwhelmed to just do those 5 things, and then you put down 5 more, and before you know it, you've got everything done. But it's really a great system, especially if you have issues like I do. I have these, I bought these inserts off of, let's see, I can't read it. I don't have my glasses on. Digital Based Lab. I use this for my doctor's visits. I've got a whole year with all my doctor visits written down, so now when the doctors want to know who I saw about what, I can tell them. And then I have another one that I printed out because now they want me to take my blood pressure every day, twice a day, so I'll write them on there, and I can take that to the doctor's office. And she appreciated it.